Providing connectivity for dozens or even thousands of remote sites like branch offices and retail stores is challenging. You need the agility to bring new sites up quickly, with minimal expense and complications. SonicWall Secure SD-WAN gives you the power to connect your remote networks no matter where they're located. Secure SD-WAN uses low-cost, publicly available internet access to link remote locations and deliver fast, reliable connectivity that can save you up to 60% compared to expensive carrier fees for legacy WAN technologies like MPLS or frame relay. Secure SD-WAN technology is built into SonicOS, the operating system for SonicWall next-generation firewalls, so there's no need to purchase separate and costly SD-WAN appliances and licenses. Simply install a SonicWall TZ or NSA series firewall at each location using SonicWall's cloud-based zero-touch deployment, and you can quickly, reliably, and cost-effectively connect your sites to each other and to the cloud. And the zero-touch process is simple. Just register, connect, power up, and manage. When the firewall arrives at your remote location, an on-site employee connects the appliance to the corporate network. Within minutes of establishing an internet connection, the firewall is automatically discovered, authenticated, and added to your network by Capture Security Center, SonicWall's cloud-based management tool. Capture Security Center also synchronizes all firewall licenses and configurations to your MySonicWall account. When it comes to managing everything, Capture Security Center's single pane of glass view provides complete, centralized management from any location, using any web-enabled device, so you get the confidence of knowing your network and data are protected by one of the world's leading network security solution providers. SonicWall Secure SD-WAN and zero-touch deployment. Fast, agile, cost-effective. Connect your world securely and affordably.